Hey everybody, this is Randall,
I'm Michelle.
and we're Flomaton Famous. We're going to be hosting a grafting class this year for 2025 at the Keepers of the Old Ways event where's it held this year?
Mariana.
In Mariana, Florida. It's going to be a new location. We've been out there, we've looked at it. We're excited about the location. We went out there with Jessica that's hosting the Keepers of the Old Ways event. She's invited us back to do another grafting class. It happens to be that you guys like attending our grafting class and the information we put out. So here we go again. I'm in the process of ordering rootstock and getting together scion wood. And if you don't know what that is, you need to come out to the class so you can learn. So essentially, we're going to go over all the benefits of grafting and why you should learn to graft. If you want to grow any fruit whatsoever in your backyard, whether you just have a suburban neighborhood backyard, or if you've got acres or hundreds of acres, there are benefits to all of that for you to learn how to do grafting. We're going to be talking about that. We're going to actually put all these items in your hand, let you graft your own tree, and when you walk away from the class, you'll have the knowledge to graft on your own, and you will take the tree that you grafted with you. You're not going to find any better deal than that.
Or you could also buy another one. So
yeah, we'll also have trees there for sale. We
Yeah.
are a licensed nursery, so we'll have other things there for sale also. May have just one or two apple trees. We don't have a lot of fig trees, I can guarantee that. Well, we're excited to be showing up again for the event this year and putting on this class.
we have a surprise class this year. So make sure you attend. We can't really announce. I can tell you that it's for an app.
I'm an IT guy. I've been messing around with app development. So I'm bringing a couple of apps, and we're about ready to launch our first app.
Right.
We have a series of apps to complement the one app. It's going to be an ecosystem.
Right.
So come on out. Once we launch it, we're going to have a little class that talks all about it.
And you'll be the first one to know.
And we may even have a little special
Yeah.
bonus for the people who attend the class for the app. All right, guys. Thanks for watching. We hope to see you there. Remember, keep growing
Keep building.
and always keep adventuring. And
Together,
we're Flomaton Famous. We'll see you at the event.